Ready to move your USDT from Usdt to Bitget with ease. First, log into your Usdt account and navigate to your wallet or funds section. Then click on the Withdraw button. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You might need to search for it in the drop-down menu. Now switch over to your Bitget account, find and click on the Deposit button. Again, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Very important, choose the correct network for your USDT transfer. Tether is often preferred for its lower fees, but make sure Usdt also supports this network. Select Tether in Bitget. Copy your USDT deposit address from Bitget. Double check that you copy the entire address correctly. Back on Usdt, paste the Bitget deposit address into the withdrawal address field. Double check the first few and last few characters of the address to ensure they match the address in Bitget. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Pay close attention to any displayed network fees, as they will be deducted from your withdrawal. Complete the necessary security verification steps, such as entering your Google Authenticator code or SMS verification code. Finally, confirm your withdrawal on Usdt. The transfer process will now begin. It may take a few minutes for the USDT to appear in your Bitget account, and that's it.